everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a tissue paper kite sun catcher that will be available as a take and make kit at the Bay County Public Library in Youth Services while supplies last. In every kit, this is what you're going to get. You're going to get a kite made out of black construction paper, 2 pieces of contact paper, 2 strips of black construction paper, and you are going to get an assortment of tissue paper squares, and the colors will be different in all of the kits, so it'll be a fun surprise. What we're gonna do is we are going to take the sticky side of my contact paper and I am going to lay it on top, and then I'm gonna press down on the edges to get a firm seal. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my 2 pieces of paper and I'm gonna take them to the sticky side, and I'm gonna take the longer one and I'm gonna go lie it straight across. Press down on that to make sure and give it a good stick, and then I'm gonna take the other one and go this way. So perfect, now we have a classic kite shape, and I'm just gonna fill the rest in with tissue paper. So I'm just gonna take them and I'm gonna lay them across. You don't wanna do too thick, so that the sun can be seen through it. But I'm just gonna do it in a pattern that is appealing to me, and you can do it however you like. So now I've got mine arranged very nicely here. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my second piece of contact paper and I'm going to apply this onto the tissue paper so that it's sealed in. So now that I've gotten my second piece of contact paper peeled off, I'm just gonna take the sticky side down and stick it directly to the tissue paper. Press on that, and I'm gonna smooth it with my fingers to make sure there's no bubbles or anything like that. And now I have a tissue paper kite sun catcher, which looks like this. So cute. You could stick it up in your window with a piece of tape and let the sun shine through it, and it will look so cool. Okay, so these will be available as take and make kits at the Bay County Public Library Youth Services Desk while supplies last. Thanks for watching.